it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with Hi guys, NeeCJae here. Today I'm going to show you how I make my hummus and how I use it. Okay, I'm first starting off with my extra virgin olive oil, smoked paprika, garbanzo beans, better known as chickpeas, and my pesto. I love pesto. I start off with rinsed and drained chickpeas, and I'm using my basil. I don't measure things so often, too often I just do it, but I'm putting 4 tablespoons of the pesto in here. I'm also adding my smoked paprika. This is when you add your pepper and your salt, all your ingredients. I'm putting like 2 cloves of garlic in there. I'm also going to add my pink Himalayan salt. I love this salt. And I'll add my extra virgin olive oil. See, it looks like it's a little stiff, so this is when you add more olive oil to make it more moist. And you get it to the consistency that you actually want. And then once you get it to that, you make sure you kind of just blend and just keep adding the oil, blend and so forth. And you just kind of check it to make sure everything is mixing well and get it to the consistency that you like. And there we go. And I also use this hummus I love hummus. I use it on my toasted croissants in the morning for breakfast. I also use it like as a little snack sometimes with my bell peppers. I usually have red and green bell peppers. This is a snack. And also as a spread on my sandwiches. So yeah guys, if you like this type of videos, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Peace and love guys.